Hello my dear fashion lovers and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a denim video for you. I would like to show you 5 different ways of styling your denim in order to look chic and polished and not as casual as I look here. But before we dive into today's subject, please do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you do not miss out on my further videos. And if you already know that you're going to like what you see, then please also give it a thumbs up. And now let's get started. Usually when we think about denim, we think about outfits like this. We have a light wash denim, we have a simple t-shirt, or this is a polo shirt, actually the more elevated version on top of it, and a pair of sneakers. I guess we all agree that this is probably not the most elegant way of wearing a pair of denim. And I would like to show you that even with this light wash denim, we can really create something beautiful. Without further ado, let me show you the first outfit that I have prepared for you. It's the same pair of denim, but already we can see a huge difference. I have exchanged the top. Now I am wearing a silk top, and I have exchanged the shoes. Now I am wearing pointed heels. If you do not want to go for heels because it's too uncomfortable for your everyday life, go for a pair of loafers instead. Also, those add instant polish to your look. Now we can further refine this with only some simple tweaks. For example, we can tuck in the shirt. Actually, I think a half tuck looks beautiful with this flowy silk material. And of course, we can add a belt. Therefore, I have a very simple white slim leather belt. And this is already the first look. Now you might say, okay, this is rather a look for warmer days, but what if the weather is cold outside? Wait a minute, let me show you. Cold weather requires a shirt. Now we can either let the shirt hang loose like this, or again we tuck it in to instantly elevate the whole thing, and it doesn't have to be a full tuck. A half tuck is already enough to really add style and structure to your looks. We can see the belt popping out, which always makes it look instantly more polished. Then we can roll up the sleeves, also a very simple trick to add intention to a look. Simple little tweaks that make all the difference in an outfit. And we can add a sweater. Either we wear this completely or we simply let it hang around our shoulders, almost like an accessory, but it still keeps us warm and adds a very polished note to the whole thing. And this is my second look. Let's move on to a darker wash. My favorite is always the darker denim, to be honest. When in doubt, I reach out for this look. Now let me talk you through. So we have a pair of dark wash denim. These are from Zara. It's a flared leg. I find these super flattering. I guess this is the most elegant type of denim you could have regarding the cut and the color. Then I wanted to wear a cardigan on top, but if you just add the cardigan without anything popping out, it looks plain. So don't do this. If it's a colder day, go for a long sleeve shirt. If it's a warmer day, go for a top like I am wearing here. It's a short sleeve top. And here I have this beautiful color just popping out a little bit. And you do not want to completely button up your cardigan. This looks a little dated. Let's have it a little more relaxed. Just leave a button open. So much better. I unbuttoned a second one. It lets the outfit breathe and move. Of course, we want to add a belt to add a focal point to this look, and we want the belt to be seen. So again, we tuck the cardigan slightly in the front. And this is the whole look. Now we can roll up the sleeves a little bit. And of course, the shoes make or break an outfit. So here I went for ankle boots with a pointed toe, which look super elegant. If you wore this look with sneakers, it would completely change the vibe. But there are very comfy ankle boots, for example, on the market with a low heel, with a good cut that you can walk in all day long and will still feel very polished. So If you don't know what to wear, this certainly is the look. I have two more for you. Let's move on to the next one. So this would be relaxed denim in summer. Of course, the look as it is here is super boring. We want to refine it. Surprise, surprise, by adding a belt. I love how those minimal tweaks change the complete vibe of a look. Really, I can't get enough of this. Now, this look gives you a lot of variety. So if it's more formal, if the occasion is more formal, go for a white button-down shirt. If the occasion is more relaxed, go for a tank top, a white tank top. This is maybe the most neutral option here. And I would add a little scarf, just a little silk scarf to really show that I've been intentional with this look and that I did not just simply grab something out of my closet. And this is my I am wearing jeans in summer look. Of course, instead of the loafers, you could always wear heels. I only would not recommend you to wear sneakers. Maybe white sneakers if you want to absolutely wear sneakers, okay, and if the occasion is super relaxed. Then yeah, white sneakers, all white slim sneakers could work. And let's move on to our last look. And this is my wearing denim in fall and winter version. So here we have a pair of denim from H&M. I really like these ones. You see, it's the cut I like, high-waisted straight leg. I don't know whether you can see it. It has these beautiful seams here. And then I paired it with a navy blue turtleneck from Max Mara. And I put my Cézanne houndstooth blazer on top of this. Of course, you should not forget a belt. Here I'm wearing a dark brown suede belt from Mango to tie the whole thing together. And this is a super relaxed and warm outfit that really makes you put together no matter what the occasion is in fall and winter. I paired it with my ankle boots again, so I would definitely go for boots or heels. If it's a warmer day, a pair of black or dark brown heels would look great with this look, or even navy blue heels if you have some. It really makes you look put together. So first of all, it comes from the blazer that adds a structure. And then you have the dark wash, which immediately looks elegant, and pairing it with a navy blue matching top creates a monochromatic look here that you break with the belt and the blazer. So the blazer is the hero piece of this outfit. Therefore, the other pieces are rather simple and do not compete with each other. Also, this blazer has a beautiful length, first of all, to keep you warm, and second, to go, for example, to the office, as it falls beautifully over your booty, so this certainly is not too sexy. And this is my fifth look for today. I hope that I was able to show you today that denim doesn't have to mean relaxed and casual. You can create amazing outfits with your denim, be it a light wash, a white denim, or of course a dark wash. Let me know in the comments below which of these outfits was your favorite and if you have any wishes for styling pieces in the future. Which item shall I style next? See you in the next one. Stay stylish.